We have to start from 95. Akash කොහෙද login වුනේ Akash?
සර් මේ දැන් ආවද?
Sorry.
මොකද්ද සර්?
Akash කොයිලාද login වුනේ? I can admit උනේ class එකට මුලින්දන් හිටියද?
දැන් සර්.
ඒක තමයි. මම මේ බැලු නම දාති හිටියේ නෑ. දැන් මෙන්න එකපාරටම ආකාශ ඉන්නවා.
සර් දැන් දැක්කද?
තාම නෑ. හරි අපි දැන් පටන් ගමු. ඔයා ඉවර තියෙන පුතේ මේක හරහානේ. ඒක තමයි බලමු මක් හොඳයි. හරි. right දැන් ඔක්කොම mute කරනවා. start කරන හින්දා.
සර් 94 නේද?
95 නේද? බලන්න message එකක් දාන්න 95 කියලා මම ගාව තියෙන්නේ. as I remember 95. to start. Yeah, this is 94. මේක කරේ නෑ නේද? Stassi is a singer. Haven't done නේද? මේක කළාද? done the not? This done or not? mute කරලා තියෙන දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියනවා ඇහෙන්නේ නෑ. no. හරි. මෙතන ඉඳලා පටන් ගන්න දෙන්නේ මට මතකයි. Okay, let's start from this one. කලින්ග කරා කියලා මට මතකයි. කලින් මේ anything just dial 0 කළා. This one is done. Okay, let's start. Stassi is a singer. Stassi කියන්නේ ගායිකාවක්. ලියා ගන්න. Stassi is a singer. Stassi කියන්නේ ගායිකාවක්. singer කියනවා ගායකයා ගායිකාව දෙගොල්ලන්ටම. Stassi කියනවා ගායකයා ගායිකාව කියන දෙකටම. singer කියනවා ගායකයා ගායිකාව දෙකටම. Stassi is a singer ගම Stassi කියන්නේ ගායිකයෙක් නැත්නම් ගායිකාව. මෙතන ඉතින් නම නිසා she loves. The she loves කියලා ඉත ආසයි ඉත ආදරයි ඔක්කොම ඉනවා. ආසයි කැමති to sing සින්දු කියන්න. ඉතාමත් ආසයි සින්දු කියන්න. She is in a band. එය ඉන්නවා සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක. She is in a band. එය ඉන්නවා සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක. She is in a band. එය ඉන්නවා සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක. එය ඉන්නවා සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක. She sings in the band. ඇය සින්දු කියනවා. She sings. ඇය සින්දු කියනවා. In the band. මේ බෑන්ඩ් එකේ සින්දු කියනවා. She sings. ඇය සින්දු කියනවා in the band එකේ. I'm band එකේ සින්දු කියන කෙනෙක්. she is the lead singer. ඇය තමයි ප්‍රධාන ගායිකාව. lead කියන්නේ ප්‍රධාන. she is the lead singer. ඇය තමයි ප්‍රධාන ගායිකාව. sometimes she plays the piano. සමහර වේලාවකට ඒ වාදනය කරනවා පියානෝව. සමහර වෙලාවකට ඇය වාදනය කරනවා පියානෝව. පියානෝ කියලා තියෙනවා සංගීත භාණ්ඩ හොදේ. පියානෝ කියන තාත්තා නෑ නෙවෙයි. සමහර වෙලාවට ඇය වාදනය කරනවා පියානෝව. Chad is Stacy's friend. Chad කියන්නේ ස්ටැසීගේ යාළුවා. Chad is Stacy's friend කියන්නේ Chad කියන්නේ ස්ටැසීගේ යාළුවා. Chad කියන්නේ ස්ටැසීගේ යාළුවා. He is also in the band. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. He stands next to Stacy. ඔහු හිටගෙන ඉන්නේ ස්ටැසි ළඟ. ඔහු අසල අනිත් පස. ඔහු හිටගෙන ස්ටැසිගේ අනිත් පස නැත්නම් අසල ළඟ. ඒකට බෑන්ඩ් වල තියෙන පුතේ සමහර කට්ටිය හිට ගන්න මෙතන සමහර අය මෙතන මාරු වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ ඒවා. එක තැනක් තියෙනවනේ හැමෝටම කීබෝඩ් එක ගන්න කරලා එකපාරට කීබෝඩ් එක අරන් ඉස්සරහට කීබෝඩ් ගන්න පටන් ගන්න නැහැ නේ ඊළඟ වෙලා. එයා ඉන්නේ පිටිපස්සෙම. එයාගේ ඉස්සරහා ඉන්නවා ගිටාර ගහන කෙන සමහරට. ඩ්‍රමර් ඉන්නේ එක පැත්තක. එකපාරට ඩ්‍රම් සෙට් එක ගහන කෙනා ඩ්‍රම් ටික උස්සගෙන ඇවිල්ලා ඉස්සරහම තියන් ඩ්‍රම් ගහන ගත්තොත් එimhe මාරවඩ වෙන්නේ. ගිටාර ගහන කෙනාට පයින් එකක් ගහන බිඳුර වැටෙන ස්ටේජ් එකෙන් ඩ්‍රම් ගහන කෙනා ඉස්සරහට. එහෙම එන්නේ නැහැ නේ. ඒගොල්ලන් නිමිත් තැනක් තියෙන එකයි කියන්නේ හොඳේ. තේරුණා කියලා මම හිතනවා. එතකොට එයා තමයි next to Stacy. Stacy දෙහා පැත්ත තමයි ඉන්නේ. He plays the electric guitar. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා විදුලි ගිටාරය. කියන්නේ පුතේ විදුලි ගිටාර කියන්නේ කවිදා ගිටාරකෙන් කරන්ට් වදින්නේ නැහැ. විදුලියට එකකින් විදුලියෙන් තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ හොඳේ. නැත්නම් එකපාරයි ගිහිලා ගියා ඉවරයි. ආයෙ ගිටාර ගහන්නම් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Sometimes Chad sings with Stacy. සමහරක් වෙලාවට Chad සින්දු කියනවා Stacy සමග. සමහරක් වෙලාවට Chad සින්දු කියනවා Stacy සමග. Dean is Chad and Stacy's friend. Dean කියන්නේ Chadගේ සහ Stacyගේ යාළුවා. Dean කියන්නේ Chadගේ සහ Stacyගේ යාළුවා. ඩීන් කියන්නේ චැඩ්ගේ සහ ස්ටැසීගේ යාළුවා. ඩීන් කියන්නේ චැඩ්ගේ සහ ස්ටැසීගේ යාළුවා. He is also in the band. ඔහුත් වාදනය කරනවා බෑන්ඩ් එකට. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. බෑන්ඩ් එක කියන්නේ සංගීත කණ්ඩායම. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. He stands next to Chad. ඔහු ඉන්නේ චැඩ් අසල. ඔහු ඉන්නේ චැඩ් අසල. ඔහු ඉන්නේ චැඩ් අසල. ඔහු ඉන්නේ චැඩ් අසල. He plays the bass guitar. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා බේස් ගිටාරය. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා බේස් ගිටාරය. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා බේස් ගිටාරය. ඒක BASS කොම් බාස් ගිටාර නෙමෙයි බේස් ගිටාර්. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා බේස් ගිටාරය. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා බේස් ගිටාරය. Dean does not sing. Dean සින්දු කියන්නේ නැහැ. Dean සින්දු කියන්නේ නැහැ. සින්දු ගැන කැමති නැහැ. does not like to sing නේ. Dean සින්දු ගැන කැමති නැහැ. Dean සින්දු ගැන කැමති නැහැ. Dean does not sing. Dean සින්දු කියන්නේ නැහැ. He does not like to sing and ඔහු සින්දු කියන්න කැමති නැහැ. මම ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතන Dean තියෙනවා කියලා මා කිව්වේ. ඔහු සින්දු කියන්න කැමති නැහැ. ඔහු සින්දු කියන්න කැමති නැහැ. ඔහු සින්දු කියන්න කැමති නැහැ. The band practices 3 times a week. සංගීත කණ්ඩායම සතියට දින 3ක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. 3 වතාවක්. 3 times කොම 3 වතාවක්. සංගීත කණ්ඩායමට බෑන්ඩ් එක සතියට 3 වතාවක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. සංගීත කණ්ඩායම සතියට 3 වතාවක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. සතියට 3 වතාවක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. They mostly perform at night clubs. ඔවුන් බොහෝ වෙලාවට ඔයගලන් මේ කෑල්ල නැද්ද මේ කෑල්ල නෑ නේද? ඔයගලන්ගේ sometimes they sing at weddings කියලා විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. මම සමහර යක් සීනියර් එකේ කෑල්ලක් තියලා ඉතුරු අයින් කරා වගේ. මට දාන්න බණ්ඩක් කළා. ඔයගලන් තියෙන්නේ weddings කතාව විතරයි නේද? ඔන්න unmute කරගන්න. We have be unmuted.
සර් මගේ එකේ තියෙනවා.
හරි.
මගේ එකේ තියෙනවා.
හොඳයි.
සර් මගේ එකේ තියෙනවා. එන තැනට වෙනකල් විතරයි සර් තියෙන්නේ.
හරි. මම weddings වල එක දෙන අරක වැඩක් නැහැ. ඒක මේ මම අයින් කරා පොඩි එකේ වෑ. ඒක ඉතින් වැරද්දකුත් නැහැ. ඒක ඒගොල්ලෝ සින්දු කියනවනේ මේ වගේ තමයි. ඔව්.
අර ඇට් කියන එකට එහා පැත්තේ තියෙන එකද?
ඔව් දැන් මේ ඉස්සරහා තියෙන එක උඩ එක තියෙනවද? දැන්
ඒකේ අර නයිට් ක්ලබ්ස් කියන එක නෑ සර්. නයිට් ක්ලබ්ස් කියන එක නැහැ.
හරි. එතනට ඕන එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්. they mostly perform at ඔවුන් නිතරම සින්දු කියනවා කියලා ඕන තැන. අපි ඊළඟට මොකද නිසා sometimes they sing at weddings සමහරවිට ඔවුන්
මගේ එකේ නයිට් ක්ලබ් තියෙනවා.
හරි කමන්නේ සනුජි ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. ස්ටිව් සමහරව මම අයින් කරා. sometimes they sing at weddings කියන්නේ සමහරවිට ඔවුන් wedding වල සින්දු කියනවා. සමහර විටලාවට ඔවුන් wedding වල සින්දු කියනවා. they are a very good band කියන උන් ඉතා දක්ෂ බෑන්ඩ් එකක්. they are a very good band කියන උන් ඉතා දක්ෂ බෑන්ඩ් එකක්. ඔවුන් ඉතා දක්ෂ බෑන්ඩ් එකක්. luckily or unluckily I don't know. Today the duty is finished and we have to continue to reading now. So we have ample of time for reading today. අද reading වල ඇති තරම් දැන් තියෙනවා. මම පොඩි option එක පොඩි chance එකක් දෙනවා miss වෙච්ච ඒවා තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. If there is anything missing you can ask.
මිස් වෙච්ච ඒවා නැහැ.
නෑ හොඳයි.
සර් අන්තිම වාක්‍ය කියන්නකෝ.
Okay ඉන්න බලන්න. they are a very good band කියන උන් ඉතා දක්ෂ ඉතා හොඳ බෑන්ඩ් එකක්.
සර් දැන් ලබන මේ සර් එනංග හරුවද කරන්නේ මොකද්ද?
අලුත් ටියුට් එක අපි ගමු කොහොම හරි. ඒතොර ප්‍රශ්නේ හදාගමු මොන හරි ක්‍රමයක්. 14 ඉඳලා කන්ට්‍රි එක ඕපන් එකක් අතට ටියුට් එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා මම හිතනවා. අපි බලමු මොකක් හරි එකට ප්ලෑන් එකක් ගහමු. වැඩි විස්තර පසුව දෙමුන් දෙමු. yes පුතේ.
does not like to sing කියන්නේ මොකද්ද?
does not Dean does not sing the does not like to sing කියන එකද?
does not like to sing.
ඔහු කැමති නෑ සින්දු කියන්න. right. I'll put the name list. මම name list එක දානවා. Then we can start.
Sir, then reading the
yes පුතේ duty is finished no? Litum you can start පුතා Litum.
Okay, sir. I am Manuka Basuru Herat. I am 11 years old. I am studying in grade 7 at Vijayabha Vidyalaya. My family is small. I have two sisters. My mother is Kumari Herat and my father is Sampath Herat. I have a pet dog too. My hobbies are reading and writing poems. My favorite subjects are Sinhala and science. I like to eat fried rice with jack curry. My ambition is to be a writer. Thank you, sir.
Okay Puta, very good. Next chance goes to Situmvi. You can start Puta.
I am not ready.
Okay, then with Sarah you can have your chance with Sarah Puta.
Computer. The computer availability of the computers all over the world. Computer has become a household item. A computer is a multiplicated machine. Computer makes our tasks easier and Cons of the computer. Global trends. Today, computer has become an inherent part of life. In the current context, there are no offers without computers, not only in the metropolises, but even in the rural segment. Most homes have computers. There's also virtually no home in Sri Lanka which does not have a television set today. Similarly, in the foreseeable future, there won't be single home without a computer. A computer is a multifunction piece of equipment. A modern computer can perform multiple tasks. The tasks people of all walks of life and from diverse strata of society can perform using computers are wide, varied, and substation. The benefits are enormous. Virtually bundles in day-to-day life. A computer at once command makes work easy, uncomplicated. First, it readers efficiently through and organized and meticulous system while enhancing accuracy and precision within a streamlined processor. Thank you.
Okay, very good. පුතා මේකේ name එක නැති කවුරුන් ටක් ගාලා message එකක් දාන්න. මේකේ name එක නැත්තව ඔයගොල්ලන් ටක් ගාලා message එකක් දාන්න. Okay. Next chance goes to Situmni if you are ready now. Puta.
No, sir.
Okay, then it's Mayanti, you can start with that.
Yes, sir. Nelson Mandela was born in the year 1980 in Cape Town, South Africa. He had his higher education in Korea University and became a lawyer. He was the leader of the African National Congress and fought against the white government. He won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993 and became the president of South Africa in the year 1999. He died in 2040. Thank you.
Puta, very good. It's a very advanced and it's very good, Puta, Mayanta. Okay, next chance goes to Esat. When you are ready, Situmni mata kiyanna. Situmni, you are ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, then you can start, Puta.
My favorite animal is the zebra. I like zebras the most because they are very insect animals. They belong to the horse family and live in groups. They are mammals and are herbivorous. Every zebra has a special pattern of black and white streaks. A baby zebra is brown and white and red and is called a foal. Zebras walk and gallop like horses. They hear and see very well. Their eyes are on the sides of the head. It helps them to see what is happening all around them. They have large pointed ears and can turn their ears to any directions. Zebras are fast runners. They can run about 35 miles per hour. They run from side to side to protect from animals who hunt them. They sleep while standing and pray when they are in danger to run. The other zebras, the leader of the head of zebras, stays at the back of the group. Today, the zebras have lost many of their rough land and are in danger because of humans. Humans have destroyed many of the land to build houses and to cultivate. The zebras are also killed for their skin. Their skin is used to make carpets, coats, and handbags. Many governments have built national parks to protect the zebras, but we all have to stop doing things that harm animals, like my favorite animal, the zebra. Thank you.
Very good. It's a very long one. It's a very nice one. Huh? Very good.
Sir, මම සර් ගෲප් එකට
Hari
සර්
වන්න
සෙකන්ඩ් රවුන්ඩ් දානවා.
Samji Tagale වන්න. Hari sure.
සර් සෙකන්ඩ් රවුන්ඩ් දාලා.
Sure Buddhi sure. Next chance goes to Esat. You can start with Esat.
Little brown seeds, so small and round, are sleeping quietly on ground. Down come the raindrops. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Out come the rainbow. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Little brown seeds bound blow up together. They grow, grow, grow. Little green leaves come one by one. They hold up their heads and look at the sun. Thank you, sir.
Very good, Buddha Esat. Very nice. Next chance goes to Dinuga. You can start with Dinuga.
Okay, sir. I am Patu. My class is grade 6E. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lots of colorful pictures and charts. There is a big blackboard and a teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color and there is a steel cupboard. In the corner of the room, there is a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to the cupboard. There is no clean fan, but there are two big windows. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Next chance goes to Damsara. Very good, Buddha Dinuga. Damsara, you can start with that.
Okay, sir. I am Rama Subramaniam. I am in grade 6. I like riding my bicycle and drawing pictures. My father bought me a bicycle for my birthday.
Bought
Me a bicycle for my birthday. I did not know how to ride it at first. Then my mother and father taught me to ride it. Now I go everywhere in my bicycle. My father and I ride the bicycle to school. My mother goes to market on her bicycle. We cycle to Coville normally. My mother tells me that the bicycle is the only vehicle that is good for the environment. When I go up, I want to have an art exhibition. The exhibition will have beautiful paints of my country. They will all be the paints of what I saw while I was cycling
cycling. Thank you, sir.
Very good, Buddha. Welcome. Next chance goes to Situm.
සර් මම පිටු එවලා තියෙනවා දැක්කද සර් පහක්
Uh,
5 pages අලුතෙන් හදපු group එකට save වෙයි
hari. Hari. ඒක හම්බුණා. මම බලන්න අනිවාර්යෙන්.
හරි සර්
Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Situm. Sanju දැන් ආවා.
හරි සර් හරි
Yes, Situm, you can start.
Parents. Parents are the most beautiful and valuable God-given gift in our lives. They play an immense role in the physical, mental, social, educational, and excuse me, sir.
Yes, Situm.
Sir, FINANSIAL.
Final ද FINAL ද මට තේරුනේ FI හරි. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Financial.
What, sir?
Financial නේද මේකද?
Oh, sir.
Okay.
Financial development. Parents teach and guide us on the right path and differentiate between the right and wrong things in life. Grandparents are also considered as parents in our life. They listen to our problems and help us make the right life choices. So finish. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Next chance goes to Manisha.
Once there was an old crane. He was big and could not get any fish for his food. One day he went to a tank and said to the fish in the tank, "My dear friends, the king's men are coming here tomorrow morning. They will take all the water out the tank, and then they will kill you." The fish were said they said to the crane, "You are our friends. Will you not save us?" "I will," replied the crane. "There is a pond in the wood. I will take you that pond." The king's men will not go there. The fish were guilty now. They said, "Thank you, dear friends. We will go with your
Mhm.
to the pond." In the wood, the crab came out of the tank and said, "I will go first." The crane took him in his beak and walked to the wood. On the way, the crab said to the crane, "Dear brother, you are carrying a heavy load in your beak. You are tired. May I hold you neck?" "Oh, yes, thank you," said the crane and opened his mouth. The crab held his neck and asked him, "Where is the pond?" The crane replied, "There is no pond. No pond. I am talking you to the wood. I will eat you and all the other fish in the tank. The crab drove his claw into the crane neck and killed him. He caught the crane is his in his own trap. Thank you.
ඔක පුතා very good. පුතේ කවුරු ඉන්නවා නම් 7 වගේ ක්ලාසස් දින ටක් ගාලා මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න එහෙම කලින් chance එකක් දෙන්න ඕන නම් මනිෂා very good. Next chance goes to Nidusha. Classes එහෙම කවුරු තියෙනවා නම් කලින් මේ
My favorite sportman is Kumar Sangakkara. He is great cricketer. He was the former captain of the Sri Lankan national cricket team. Sangakkara is one of the best batsmen in international cricketer.
cricket.
He has also was many international AWARDS කියන මොකද?
Awards. He also
Awards
many
like
awards.
cricket of the years, test cricket of the years, and one day international cricket of the years. He is a good
Orator.
rated. Kumara Sangakkara is a legend Sri Lankan cricket.
Okay, very good.
He is credit to his and my our country. Thank you.
Welcome, very nice.
සර් මම තව වීඩියෝ ටිකක් දැක්කද සර් ඒ ටික මම
හරි අනිවාර්යෙන් බලන්න සන්ජීව දැන් බලන ගමන් හිටියේ sure. very good. Next chance goes to Nidusha. So Dinuth.
The famous person in Sri Lanka, Munidasa Kumaratunga, was born in 25th July 1887. He was a writer, poet, journalist, and grammarian. He wrote many Sinhala storybooks, Sinsaraya, Harpana, Navulkama, and Kiyavana Nuwana are some of them. These books are popular among children even today. He wrote Sinhala grammar books and had a wide knowledge of other languages like Tamil, Pali, Sanskrit, Greek, and Latin. His lifetime he served as a school teacher, principal, and school inspector. This remained school passed it away on 2nd March 1949. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good.
So මාවත් දාගන්න second round එකට.
Okay, Buddha, sure, Nidusha. Okay, next chance goes to Dehami. You can start with Dehami.
A trip to Kandy. I got a letter from Samira to see the Kandy Perahara. It is held in August. Father, mother, my brothers, and I want to Kandy. We won't buy candy. On our way, we save mountains, waterfalls, tunnels, and tea estate. Candy Perahara was very beautiful. There were so many people. There were many foreigners too. The whip crackers led the Perahara. There were drummers, flag bearers, Candian dancers, Nilame and elephant. The Maligawe elephant come with the casket on its back. The Candian dancer and the Maligawe elephant were colorful. Thank you, sir.
Very nice, Pudha. Okay, very good. Next chance goes to Benadi. You can start, Pudha.
Satish Madhavan, have you got a pet dog? Madhavan, no, we haven't. We haven't got any place to keep. Satish, haven't you got a garden? Madhavan, we have a garden, but it's too small to keep a dog. Satish, do you have any other pet at home? Madhavan, no, I don't have any at home, but I love watching birds. Finish, sir.
Okay, Pudha. Very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Tharusha. Tarusha. I think Tarusha is not here. Tarusha ne. Okay, then the other chance goes to Devduni. Devduni, you can start with that.
Okay, sir. We are making a soup for dinner. Oh, wonderful. I like to eat soup. First, let's wash our hands. All right, Aunt. We need leeks, tomatoes, carrots, beans, potatoes. What else? Pumpkin, cabbage, dal and curry leaves. Senura, can you bring me some garlic, curry powder, salt and pepper? Where are they? They are in a cupboard. Here they are. Shall I wash the vegetables? Yes, please. Himaya, can you peel the potatoes, onions and carrots? Yes, Aunt, I will do that. Very good. What are doing the scenery? I am washing a pot. Oh, good. Wash a spoon too. Now clean the beans and wash all the vegetables. Shall I do it? Yes, please. Who can cut the vegetables into the small pieces? We will do it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Dilmi. Dilmi. Is Dilmi not here? I didn't know. Dilmi is not here. Then, Sanuji, it's your chance.
සර් ගොඩක්
Oh, again, කොයි එක තෝරගන්නේ?
අර සර් මේ ඉබ්බෙක් එහෙම ඉන්න එක අන්තිමට මෙවල තියෙනවා
හරි.
අර
ඒක
පිටු
නයි.
ගොඩක
හරි, okay, sure.
කටේවා by when works
Gee. තත් අපර දෙසයි මට ඒක හොයාගන්න අමාරුයි. ඉන්නකෝ මම මේ පේනනකම් මේ කොකද කියන්නකෝ. This one.
yes sir yes
කොයි එකද?
and
මේකද?
අන්න අයියෝ අන්න ඔයිට කලින් දාපු පිටුව සර්.
Make it.
අන්න ඕක සර්.
Okay, sure. Start.
By Wendy works.
මේක අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. These not necessary. මේක මේ පළවෙනි පිටුව. ඒක නිකන් අර introduction එකක්. මේකෙන් පටන් ගන්න. Start with this one. එන්න අම්මා තියෙන්නේ ලියුව කෙනාගේ.
ඕක නෙවෙයි ඊළඟට තියෙන්නේ කහ පාට පිටුව. Hello Kira, I'm Anna. Hello, I'm Donna, and this is my best friend. Best
Food.
friend.
Food.
We are going on going on
We are going on a camping trip.
camping today. We need to go to meet Minnie. Minnie.
Meet my mommy.
Mommy.
This mommy time darling. Mommy, papi, abuela, and the twins for a camp outing friendly forest.
For a camp out in friendly forest. We need to get to friendly forest. Who do we ask for help when we don't know which why to go? When map map says we have to go our toll. Sir, BRIDGE මොකද්ද?
Bridge.
Bridge and then cross Turtle Lake. This how we'll get to friendly forest. Let's go. We made it to tall
Tall's riddle.
bridle, but we can't cross
Yeah.
bridle and we
මට හොයාගන්න බැරිනේ කොහෙද කියලා යන්නේ මේ දැන්.
ඔය පිටුව තමයි මම කියන්නේ.
මෙතනද මේ unless we solve the grumpy
Yes, yes. Gram කියන තැන.
unless we solve
No, sir. Gram කියන තැන.
grumpy all tolls riddle.
All tolls
Riddle.
Will you help? Crickets.
Chair.
Mollies how and
Balls.
hot.
Hoot.
Say the
Which animal says hoot?
animal say hot.
Hoot.
Grip how hot. Yes, and owl say hot. Thanks. Now we can cross to so BRIDGE මොකද්ද?
Bridge.
Bridge. We crossed tall bridge and made it to Turtle Lake. Now we have to find a way to cross it. Do you see something that will help us
Cross the Turtle Lake.
Can CANOE මොකද්ද?
C CA
NOE.
Canoi.
Need looking. So, every 20.
හොයාගන්න බෑ මට මේක වෙලා තියෙන්නේ අර පිළිවෙලට ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. ඒක නිසා හරි අමාරුයි හොයාගන්න මේක කල්. මාත් මේ හොල්මන් වෙලා හොයනවා.
අයියෝ. අරස කපාඩි පිටුව තියෙන්නේ. ඔක
මේ ටික තමයි ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ.
එහෙනම් මට මග හැරිලා. අරස කහපාට පිටුවක් තියෙන්නේ.
අම්චි ඒක ඇවිල්ලා නැත්ද කොහෙද මේ බලන්න මේ ටික තමයි මට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. මේ ටික ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. මේකද? මෙන්න මේක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා කහ පාට. Hello, I am Dora and this is my best friend.
එහෙනම් ඒක ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ.
මේක
අරස ලොකු බෝඩ් එකක් තියෙන එක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවද?
නෑ ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. මේ ටික තමයි තියෙන්නේ.
එහෙනම් අර බෝටුව පදින එකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවද?
මේ ටික තමයි තියෙන්නේ. මේ බලන්න.
ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. එහෙනම් මම එතනින් නවත්තනවා සර්.
හරි okay සම්ජී ටික හොයාගමු ටක් ගාලා එවන්න මට.
හරි සර්.
Okay, next chance goes to Akash.
The morning. The early part of the day is called morning. In the morning, the sun rises, the birds sing, flowers bloom. When morning comes, people wake up with the crowing of the cock. Then they get ready to attend to the day ahead. Children get ready to go to school. Adults also get ready to go their daily works.
Daily work.
It's the morning that works the whirling. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Teshan. You can start with that, Teshan. Teshan.
Yes sir.
Start.
පාරට දාගත්තනේ.
Show with the Akash.
Okay sir. My pet is cat. Cats are great pets because they know how to clean up after each other. Pet give you their සමය වචනේ මොකක්ද?
කියන්න බලන්න Teshan, which one?
ENTION.
ENEION. මෙමද?
EION.
This one?
The E නෙමෙයි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම තියෙන්නේ A.
ANE
ATT sir.
ATE
TT sir.
TT.
Double T. Oh.
Attention ද මෙමද? This one?
Oh sir.
Attention. That is attention.
Attention when it please them, and it's better not to force them to do that. Cats are very cute to look at, which is why having a pet cat is so nice. Cats have very soft coats of fur, which makes them look like soft rugs, and once you pet them, you don't want to stop because they are so soft. Cats love to play with my
family and me. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Next chance goes to Apsara.
Physical fitness and the value of exercises. Physical fitness refers to being healthy in body. Being physically fit gives us the ability to engage in daily activities and sports without being unduly tired. Together with nutrition, rest, and relaxation, physical exercises also play a major role in determining the level of a person's physical fitness. There are many ways that exercises help us to be healthy. When we exercise, we burn calories, and when we burn calories regularly, we do not become overweight. Thus, exercising is very useful in maintaining a healthy weight. It also helps to improve heart and lung health besides increasing our energy levels. Another advantage is that regularly physical exercises also contribute to preventing illnesses. Exercising brings down unhealthy calories, cholesterol levels, and minimize the risk of heart disease. Apart from that, when you are physically active, you sleep better at night. A good night's sleep relaxes and rejuvenates your body. As a result, you feel refreshed and stress free. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Very nice. Next chance goes to Setuni.
The happiness day of my life. The happiness day of my life was September 1st, 2020. I can still remember that day because I went on a trip with my family members and cousins to Deyangala. The environment is Miss Mercy. We all jump into the cold waters of Deyangala Lake. My cousins and I had a lot of fun by splashing water at the others. The water in the lake became so cold. With the sun pouring, we were almost shivering, but despite the cold, we didn't think twice to feed the shoal of fish in the water with piece of bread. We had our lunch on the big rock near the lake. After this, we sang many songs. It is the happiness day in my life, and I am sure that I will never forget it. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good, Setuni. If you want class other 7:30 क्या पाऊँ second chance third chance balong dila taman apa nih. So if you want me to add you to the second round too, please send me a message or let me know. Next chance.
Okay.
Okay, the next chance goes to Sanumita. Sanumita, you can start with that.
My name is Viruli. I live in Panapura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvini and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink most. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Lehansa. Sanuji තාම ඊළඟ රවුන්ඩ් එක ආවේ නෑ සනුජි. ඊළඟ රවුන්ඩ් එක ආවම අප දෙනවා chance එක. තාම අර කලින් රවුන්ඩ් එකේ ඉන්නේ. Okay, next chance goes to Lehansa. You can start with the Lehansa. උදා සොහන්සා මිහේලි කියලා කියන්නේ එසක්ද?
ඔව් සර්.
Okay, Buddha. Lehansa is not here. So that round is finished and we have to come to second round. So, okay, starting from the first one. Litum, you are the first of the second round.
Okay, sir.
Oh, Uday, give me a second, Buddha. Imaya. Imaya is here. Imaya, your chance. Last one of the first round. Imaya, you can start, Buddha.
සර් මට ඊළඟ chance එක දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Sure, Uday. Okay, then Litum, you can start, Buddha.
I am Manuka Basuru Herat. I am 11 years old. I am studying in grade 7 at Vijayawada Vidyalaya. My family is small. I have two sisters. My mother is Kumari Herat and my father is Sampath Herat. I have pet dog too. My hobbies are reading and writing poems. My favorite subjects are Sinhala and science. I like to eat red rice with jack curry. My ambition is to be a writer. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, next chance then goes to Imaya. When you are ready, let me know. Akash, but Akash is not here, so it goes to Situmli. You can start with. Okay, ready. Then okay, Situmli, may I give a chance to Imaya and then I'll give to you.
Okay, sir.
Sandani had not been feeling well and could not to go to school for a week. A group for her friends released to pay her a visit. When they reached her house, they looked around, but no one seemed to be in the house. Suddenly, they heard a noise and looked around. It was Sandani's mother returning from the river neighbor with a pile of clothes. Come in, she called everybody into the house. Sandani looked. Who's here? Come in. She called everybody into house. You friends have come to see you, Sandani's mother said as she called out to her daughter. They all walked into the house with the gifts that they had brought for her. Oh, it's so nice to see you. Why don't you sit down? Sandani said. Welcome in her friends. This is for you. Sandani's best friend Harini said as she gave a bag of gifts to Sandani. What is this? You have got me a bunch of bananas, a basket of fruits, a box of sweets, and a bottle of fresh milk. You shouldn't have, but thank you for your gifts. Let me get you some tea, Sandani's mother said as she walked into the kitchen. She came back with a packet of biscuits and tea for Sandani's friend. Here you are, have some tea, she said as she moved the pile of newspapers from the coffee table to place the tray with the biscuits and tea. Auntie, can I have a glass of water, please? Harini asked. Sandani, why don't you get her some water? The goblet is by the pot of rice. Finish, sir. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Situmli.
Okay, sir, I am ready. Once upon a time, there was an ant and a grasshopper. They lived in a grassy meadow. It was the summer time. The ant worked all day long. It carried food. The ant was tired, but it went far away to find food. The grasshopper looked at the ant. Why can't you rest? Why do you work so hard, dear aunt? This is summer. The grasshopper said, come, let's enjoy, just dance with me. The ant did not listen to the grasshopper. It ignored the grasshopper. Don't waste this chance, dear aunt, said the grasshopper. grasshopper. No, it's you who was time, dear grasshopper. Soon the summer will end and you will have to repent of your laziness. The ant was right. Summer vanished, autumn and winter came next. The days were cold, not hot. Snow began to fall. It was freezing. The grasshopper called nothing. It was very hungry, but there was nothing to eat. Where shall I go now? Who will help me? The grasshopper went to the ant. All day long I worked hard. "You'd waste your time," said the ant. "I am hungry and cold. Give me something to eat," said the grasshopper. So the ant gave some food. That day, grasshopper learned a lesson. It is prepared today for the needs of tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Okay, very nice. Next chance goes to Situm.
Okay, sir. A father is a person that everybody in the world love. I love my father because he has taken care of me since I was born, and not only did he took care of me, but he also loved me, protect me when I was little, and has helped me everything I had need. Therefore, my father is my hero. I cannot remember a person in my life that had a more significant influence on me than my father. My father has been the driving force behind my academic achievement. Everything I have been able to accomplish with regards to school, I have him to thank for. Throughout my life, my father has been responsible, kind, strict in his guidelines, and yet understanding of the difficulty of being a teen. This, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Buddha.
Sir, BEHAVIOR.
Sorry, Buddha. BEAHAVIOUR.
OR.
Oh, behavior.
Muka, sir?
Behavior. Behavior.
Behavior
Behavior.
has taught my academic history, allowed me to grow and expand my future possibilities. There are times when I speak to my father and he simply dazzles me with his knowledge when I was just simply asking an essay question. Sir, you are finished.
Buddha. Okay, very good. Okay, next chance goes to Manisha. You can start, Buddha.
Anne is in bed. She is not well. See, Pim here, pet dog has come to see her. Good morning, said Anne. Good morning, said Tom. What is the matter? I am not well and I cannot get up. I am sad. And what can I do? What can I do? Bring Nick, my pet kitty. my pet kitty to see me. Please, Tom, please, Tom.
Oh, that very good. Okay, very nice. Next chance goes to Nidusha. Are you there, Nidusha? Nidusha is not here. Then his chance is finished, and the next chance goes to Sanuji. But Sanuji, what I win the three images sticker.
answer.
Hari, Sanuji के chance कितनी?
සර් අර මේ හොල්මන් ඉන්න එකක් තියෙන අන්න එක කියන.
Holmang in එක. එන්නේ නැහැ නේද ඒක?
එව්වනේ සර්.
ඒකද house
Yes,
boat?
sir.
Okay, you can start.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, today, Himaya.
සර්ට ඔහම ඒවලා ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන් පුතේ අර මේ පොඩි ළමයේ grade 5 එක කෙනෙක් ඉන්න මම chance එකක් දුන්නා. ඔයාලට ඉතින් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඕන ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ.
සර් මොකද ගූස් කාලා සද්දයක් තියෙනවා.
හරි හරි ඒක ගණන් ගන්න එපා.
In a jungle there lived a little mouse.
Squeaky.
Quickly
Yeah,
he was
squeaky. Make it clear mati. Squeaky, come on next. Squeaky.
he was so
So tiny. He was so tiny that
he was afraid of the another big animal. That night he Sir, FOUND මොකක්ද?
found a cloth line near
Found a cloth line near his house. He
thought
for a while and soon he
realized
that it was a
pillow cover. Humans use.
Humans as I can have some fun with this.
Have some fun with this. Laughed the mouse. Squeaky.
Draw 2 ears and lips with that pen. It was made in search. I bet that it was
appearing. It was appearing to be a ghost.
appearing to be a
Ghost.
cloth. As night
As it was approaching. All
the big animals started to go back to their house. As rabbit passed by, he saved a
shadow. A shadow.
Shadow of the gods. He ran on one as soon the deer came across the same path and cried in fear. The mouse was really enjoying
This.
Even the king of the jungle was now afraid
Afraid of
of him. One day there was a
thunderstorm.
thunderstorm. The animal
Had no choice.
had no
Choice.
choice but to cross that
scary path.
cherry path. All the trees had
Fallen and
filled
fallen and because of that
the
rest of the paths
of the path
were blocked.
Soon rabbit crossed that
Path and
path and he
saw the ghost.
goats. The rabbit jumped
Out
out of
fear.
but to his
Yes. Fear, but to his surprise.
the
The white cloth flew away and inside it there was Squeaky.
Soon all the animals
Gathered
there
there, drove
them out away.
Yeah.
He cloud never returned to the jungle.
Okay, very good. Very nice. Next chance goes to Situ. Third round का start करे. Is third round. आवश्यक काटी. Sorry. Teshan. Very sorry Uday. Teshan, you can start with that. Teshan. Okay, if Teshan is not ready, Imaya, you can start with that.
Sir,
Yes, Buddha, you can start.
I am not ready.
Okay, then next chance goes to Litu. You can start with that.
Okay, sir. Tourist, excuse me. Where is the National Museum? Sandaru, it's in the main street. Tourist, how can I go to the main street? Sandaru, go along this road and turn left. It's the main street. Tourist, all right. Sandaru, there is a park on your right. Next to the park is the museum. It is between the park and the art gallery. You can find it easily. Tourists, thank you very much. Sandaru, you are welcome. Enjoy your visit. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Yes, who else need the chance? Situ, you can start with that.
Excuse me, sir, Mamadan.
Yes, Buddha.
Okay, sir. Cricket is my favorite hobby and famous sport too. It makes me feel healthy, fit, and a strong person. It makes me feel confident and proud of what I am. I started playing cricket when I was a kid of 7 years old. My cricket position started when I was a small kid and I started playing this game with my elder brother in the back side of my home. At that time also, I was a good player in comparison to the children of my age. Sir, Thank you.
Very good. Okay. Next chance goes to Imaya. This is the last round.
Sorry.
Yes, you can start, Imaya.
Okay, sir. APK Abdul Kalam was born on 5th October. Sir,
Yes, continue.
මේ මොනද 1931 කියන්නේ කොහොමද ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්?
1931.
October 1931 in Tamil Nadu. From an early age, Abdul Kalam had to work hard to help his family. He studied at St. Joseph's College,
Tirupurachai.
He had average grades at school, but he was a hardworking student who loved learning. He obtained a degree in physics from the University of Maths and SPECIALIZED.
Sorry. I was not at you. What please? SVE.
පොඩ කිව්ස මම එවන්න කොට එක. Okay, sir. එතකන් වෙන කාට හරි කියන්න දෙන්න.
Okay, sure. Last chance goes to this is the last chance for Sanji. Then finishing. Sanji, you can start with that.
Anne is in bed. She is not well. See, Pim here, pet dog, has come to see her. Good morning, Side Anne. Good morning, Side Pim. What is the matter? I am not well, and I cannot get up. I am sad, and what can I do? Bring Nick, my pet kitten, to see me, please, Pim. See, Nick has come with Pim to see Anne. Good morning, Side Anne. Good morning, Side Nick. What is the matter? I am not well, and I cannot get up. I am sad, and what can I do? Bring Nog, my pet rabbit, to see me, please, Nick. See, Nog has come with Nick and Pim to see Anne. Good morning, Side Anne. Good morning, Side Nog. What is the matter? I am not well, and I cannot get up. I am sad, and what can I do? Bring Nog the robin to see me, please, Nog. See, Nog has come with Nog, Nick and Pim. Good morning, Side Nog, Nick, and good morning, Side Nog. What is the matter? I am not well, and I cannot get up. I am sad, and what can I do? Will you sing to me, Nog? Yes, I will sing to you. In the end, Nick, Nog, and Pim had to go to be fed. Good night, and good night, my pet. Thank you, sir.
This one very nice. No, make a no support. Read karani. Sure. Very nice. Okay, Imaya, that is specialized. Imaya, that is specialized. Specialized.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can.
මං හෙට රීඩින් දෙන්න.
Later.
හෙට නෙමෙයි සෙනසුරාදා.
Okay, sure. Then we are going to finish for today. And then bye, everyone. See you next day. Good night.
Goodbye, sir. Have a nice day.
Thanks, sir. Thank you for the
Night, okay, bye.